Today's conversion is these two Hornby Stanier coaches from the 1970s, I believe. I found them in a junk box with no bogies and the paint badly scratched. I put some new bogies on them with metal wheels, and I think they came out really good in terms of running qualities. Very attractive coach, very useful too. They served on British Rail until the mid-1960s, and here they're in the early British Rail Blood and Custard scheme and being pulled by a Class 24 Hornby old one that runs like a dream. I don't know why that loco runs so well. It's a regular ring-filled motor that I just barely lubricated and did some cleaning and added a little extra weight, and it runs like a flywheel drive locomotive. It's remarkable. That's a Bachmann pigeon van that was used for racing pigeons. Were converted by British Rail and painted from LNER colours into British Rail early colours for transporting parcels, goods, baggage, whatever. I repainted and I use that word sparingly, the Stanier LMS coaches, or they're in the British Rail livery, by just masking out the numbers and whatever details were on them, and then spray painting an appropriate colour that I could find. This was car body paint, believe it or not.